Hi there, let's embark on a creative journey as we explore stunning ideas for creating the perfect girl's bedroom. A space where imagination comes to life. From choosing the right color palette to incorporating personalized touches, stylish furniture, creative storage solutions, and adding cozy accents. This video is your go-to guide for transforming her room into a heaven of joy and comfort. Discover the magic of color and how it can set the tone for the entire room. Dive into the world of pastels, vibrant shades, and calming neutrals to create an ambience that resonates with your daughter's personality. Learn how colors influence mood and space perception, making the room uniquely hers. Uncover the power of personalization in making the bedroom truly hers. Explore the art of incorporating family photos, cherished artwork, and monogrammed items to add a touch of warmth and familiarity. Dive into DIY projects and creative displays that turn her room into a gallery of memories. Maximize space and style with functional furniture tips. Learn how to choose the perfect bed, incorporating built-in storage to keep the room organized. Discover the versatility of multifunctional furniture, creating a balance between aesthetic appeal and practically as your daughter grows. Bid farewell to clutter with imaginative storage solutions. Explore the world of wall shelves, underbed storage, and decorative baskets that add flair to organization. Learn how these creative storage ideas can be both functional and visually pleasing, keeping her space tidy and inviting. Transform her room into a cozy retreat with soft rugs, throw pillows, and elegant curtains. Dive into the importance of lighting in creating a relaxing atmosphere. Explore how these small accents can make a big difference, turning her bedroom into a warm and inviting oasis. Join us on this enchanting journey of design and creativity, where each idea is tailored to make her dream space a reality. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more delightful inspirations, and share your thoughts in the comments below.